In this video, I'll introduce new operators added to Statgraphics 18. Operators are used in Statgraphics expressions to perform several important tasks. They're used to create formula variables in the datasheet. They're used to select subsets of data on data input dialog boxes. They're used to transform observations before analysis, to combine more than one column into a single column. Operators are also used to generate data with particular patterns and to specify models to be fit in the nonlinear regression procedure. There are more than 130 different operators in Statgraphics version 18. The first new type of operators are operators designed to extract information from date or date-time columns. The operators day, day of year, day of month, day of week, month, and year all extract pieces of a date variable. The operators quarter and year extract pieces of a quarter variable. I'll show you an example of how these can be used in a few minutes. Similar operators have been created to extract information about time from time or date-time variables. The three operators are hour, minute, and second. We've also introduced 5 new mathematical operators. There's an operator that will evaluate the gamma function, one that will evaluate the log gamma function. There's a mod operator that calculates the remainder after division. There's a power function that raises a number to a power. And finally, there's an operator sign that returns either a -1, 0, or +1, depending upon the value of the number. Finally, we've added 2 new Boolean operators to deal with missing values. Boolean operators return 0 if false or 1 if true. The 2 new operators are isMissing and isNotMissing, which both operate on numeric values. Now let's take a look at the new operators in action. I've loaded into the Statgraphics 18 data sheet information about the average gasoline price in the United States for each month between January 1992 and September 2017. To begin, I'll plot the data for you by going to Plot, Scatter Plots, XY Plot. I'll plot the prices for regular conventional gas on the y-axis and month on the x-axis. As you can see, there's been quite a bit of change in the gasoline price from down around $1 to as high as $4 a gallon. You can see that as the price increased, so did the variability in the prices. To remove some of that heteroscedasticity, I'll go back to the data input dialog box and take the logs by using the operator log. Now you see a plot in which the variability from month to month is considerably more constant. Suppose now I wanted to take a look at whether gasoline prices vary significantly by month of the year. I'm going to do that by going to the Compare menu to Analysis of Variance, Multi-Factor ANOVA. The dependent variable will be the log of the regular conventional gas prices. The factors will be the month of the column month and the year of the column month. Those are 2 new operators in Statgraphics 18. I'll then press OK, ask for no interactions, and then ask for an analysis summary, an ANOVA table, a scatter plot, and a means plot. there you can see the results. If you take a look at the analysis of variance table, you'll see that there are two lines in the table. One testing the significance of the differences amongst the 12 months, the second testing for significant differences amongst the 26 years. In both cases, the p-values are very small, indicating that the factors are statistically significant. To see how prices vary by month, I'll go and take a look at the means plot. What this plot shows you is the mean for each month, starting in January and going through December. It indicates also 95% LSD intervals. I'll use pane options to switch that to Tukey's HSD intervals. The idea now is if you pick 2 months, let's say January and June, for which the intervals do not overlap, there is a statistically significant difference between the mean gasoline price in those 2 months. Using the new operators month and year avoids having to create separate columns for each of those two factors.